The Yamaha IT series has always represented lightweight performance and off-road freedom. The Yamaha IT 160-2026 continues this legacy with a modern approach, combining simplicity, durability, and trail-focused performance. Built for riders who enjoy pure off-road riding, this machine emphasizes control, agility, and reliability over unnecessary complexity. Purpose-built off-road design. The 2026 IT 160 features a slim, aggressive design optimized for trail and dirt riding. Minimal bodywork reduces weight while improving maneuverability through tight paths and technical terrain. High ground clearance, a narrow seat profile, and reinforced components give the bike a tough, competition-ready look inspired by Yamaha's off-road heritage. Engine and performance. At the heart of the IT 160 is a responsive single-cylinder engine tuned for strong low and mid-range torque. This power delivery makes it ideal for climbing, trail riding, and technical sections where control matters more than top speed. The engine's lightweight construction improves throttle response while maintaining durability for long off-road sessions. Chassis and handling. The lightweight frame is designed to provide excellent balance and predictable handling. Its geometry allows riders to change direction quickly while maintaining stability over uneven terrain. Whether navigating tight forest trails or open dirt tracks, the IT 160 feels agile and confidence-inspiring at all speeds. Suspension and trail capability. Long travel suspension is a key highlight of the Yamaha IT 160-2026. The front forks and rear shock are tuned to absorb bumps, rocks, and jumps while keeping the bike planted. This setup ensures rider comfort and control, even during aggressive off-road riding or extended trail runs. Braking and control. Strong front and rear disc brakes provide consistent stopping power in dirt, mud, and loose surfaces. The braking system offers smooth feedback, allowing riders to maintain control during steep descents or sudden obstacles. This balance of power and precision enhances overall rider confidence. Ergonomics and rider comfort. The IT 160 is designed with rider movement in mind. A flat seat, wide handlebars, and well-positioned foot pegs allow easy weight shifting when standing or cornering. The upright posture reduces fatigue, making the bike comfortable for longer trail rides and practice sessions. Durability and maintenance. Yamaha's reputation for reliability shines through in the IT 160. The engine and components are built to withstand harsh off-road conditions while remaining easy to maintain. Simple construction and accessible parts make routine servicing straightforward, ideal for riders who prefer hands-on care. Who the Yamaha IT 160 is for. The Yamaha IT 160-2026 is perfect for riders seeking a lightweight, easy-to-handle off-road motorcycle. It suits beginners learning trail skills as well as experienced riders who want a nimble machine for technical terrain. Its focus on balance and control makes it a versatile choice for off-road enthusiasts. Conclusion: pure off-road enjoyment. The Yamaha IT 160-2026 delivers a focused off-road experience rooted in Yamaha's trail riding heritage. With its lightweight design, responsive engine, and capable suspension, it offers pure riding enjoyment for those who value simplicity, control, and adventure beyond the pavement.